The Saleen S7 is a limited production, hand-built, high-performance American supercar developed jointly by Steve Saleen for the initial concept and direction, Hidden Creek Industries for resources and initial funding, Phil Frank for the body and interior CAD design and development, and Ray Mallock Ltd for the chassis engineering. It was the only car produced by Saleen not based on an existing chassis, and became America's first production supercar. The S7 debuted on August 19, 2000 at the Monterey Historic Races. The all-aluminum 427 is remarkably tractable and flexible for such a high-output unit, a Euro 550 HP at 6400 RPMs. In 2005, the S7 gained a more powerful twin-turbo power plant that boosted engine power to 750 horsepower and the top speed 248 mph. S7, Exterior. The body of the car, made entirely from carbon fiber, incorporates the use of scoops, spoilers, and other aerodynamic features to create split-channel airflow throughout the car, and at 160 mph, the car creates its own weight in downforce. Interior. The interior of the Saleen S7 was designed to be both luxurious and functional. Leather appears throughout the cabin, with aluminum accents, and the S7 comes with a set of custom-fit luggage. Because of the car's mid-engine layout, it has two trunks, front and rear. Other features include an LCD monitor, rear-view camera, quick-release steering wheel and a 240 mph speedometer. The cabin is of an asymmetrical layout, with the custom-fitted driver's seat positioned toward the center both to improve the driver's visibility and center his or her weight in the vehicle. Chassis. The chassis comprises a space-frame-derived design consisting 4130 lightweight steel and aluminum honeycomb composite reinforcing panels. It is divided into bolt-fastened sub-assemblies to allow for rapid access to critical subsystems. The light weight of the chassis allows for the car to weigh a mere 2750 pounds. Performance. The original naturally aspirated version of the S7 can accelerate from 0 to Euro 60 mph in an estimated 3.3 seconds, and to 100 mph in an estimated 7.1 seconds. It can complete a standing quarter-mile in an estimated 11.35 seconds, reaching 128 mph. Top speed was an estimated 220 mph. Electrical system. The first few production Saleen S7 electrical systems were designed and hand-built by Jimmy Rodriguez. Standard electronics include power windows, locks, remote control-operated doors, hood, trunk, and engine compartment openers, electronic power steering with redundant safety circuits, 110-volt inlet for maintaining vehicle battery, electronic heated front window, electronic fuel pump shut-off upon crash impact, rear-view camera system with in-dash flip-up monitor, and navigation. Electrical wire harnesses are manufactured with the highest quality materials. Teflon-coated tinned military specification wire, Canon plugs, gold-plated pins and sockets were used for the connectors, and wire harnesses were wrapped with a high-temperature glass mesh under a woven Kevlar outer skin. S7 twin-turbo. The Saleen S7 twin-turbo was an updated revision of the original S7. Although the initial concept for the S7 incorporated twin-turbochargers, they were not used on the production car. The twin-turbocharged version later developed in 2005 went on sale for $585,296 USD, replacing standard S7 production. Changes. The engine was upgraded with two Garrett turbochargers producing 5.5 psi of boost, increasing the maximum power to 750 horsepower at 6,300 RPM, and the maximum torque to 700 lb-ft at 4,800 RPMs. The front and rear diffusers and the rear spoiler were also reworked to increase downforce by 60%. Performance, 0 Euro 60 mph, 2.8 seconds, 0 Euro 100 mph, 5.9 seconds, 0 Euro 200 mph, 27 seconds, quarter mile, 10.5 seconds, top speed, 248 mph. Competition package. In 2006, Saleen offered an optional competition package for the S7 twin-turbo. The package offers a 33% increase in power, to a total of an approximate 1,000 horsepower, as well as changes to the suspension, a revised front and rear diffuser, and an optional aerodynamic package with carbon fiber front and rear spoilers. S7R. The Saleen S7 R is a racing version of the standard, naturally aspirated S7, produced from 2000 to 2007. It was designed to compete in Grand Tourer Euro-style motorsport series and events such as the American Le Mans Series, FIA GT Championship, and 24 Hours of Le Mans. Ray Mallock Ltd assembled the first few S7RS under the supervision of Saleen's engineering team in their workshops in Britain, before Saleen assumed all S7R assembly with the French Reca squad executing final outfitting in 2006. A total of 14 S7RS were completed to race-ready condition. 7 additional S7RS were assembled to a level of completeness requiring the assignment of vehicle identification numbers. However, these chassis were never outfitted into complete vehicles. Racing history. The first S7R assembled by RML was completed in late 2000, then immediately shipped to the United States to make its debut in the American Le Mans Series event at Laguna Seca Raceway. Run by Saleen Allen Speedlab, the car finished in 26th place. For 2001, the first customer chassis would be completed, and their respective teams would enter various championships. Ford Dow Motorsports ran in the Grand American Road Racing Championship, RML ran the European Le Mans Series, and Conrad Motorsport ran both ALMS and ELMS. This car with chassis number 001 was named Christine by Saleen engineers. The S7R quickly showed its capabilities, when Conrad finished in 6th place at the 12 Hours of Sebring, earning their first-class victory. Ford Dow won 7 Grand American events en route to finishing second in the class championship, while RML won 4 ELMS events and won the championship by a mere point over the Conrad Saleens. Saleen Allen Speedlab also earned a podium finish at the 24 Hours of Le Mans with an 18th place finish overall. For 2002, Conrad Motorsport concentrated mostly on the American Le Mans Series, while Park Place Racing took over Ford Dow's entry in Grand American. Newcomer Graham Nash Motorsport won both the British GT and Spanish GT championships. Park Place won 4 races and earned their first championship title, while Graham Nash won 9 British GT and 4 Spanish GT races, earning them the title in both series. Conrad Motorsport however struggled against the faster, higher-budget Corvette racing team and could not score any victories, but were able to finish second in the championship. Conrad Motorsport chose to move their Saleen squad to Europe in order to compete in the FIA GT Championship in 2003, leaving North America without a full-season competitor for the S7 as Park Place abandoned the Grand American Championship. Graham Nash joined Conrad in FIA GT, earning a 6th-place finish in the championship. For 2004, Saleen would have a resurgence of teams as RML returned to run FIA GT. Dominique Dupier's DDO team entered the FFSA GT Championship, Conrad assisted the new Vitaphone Racing, and Asemco Motorsports purchased 2 brand new S7RS, modified to better compete in the American Le Mans Series. Vitaphone earned 3 victories in FIA GT en route to a 4th place in the championship, while DDO earned 2 victories in FFSA GT. Fortunes would quickly turn for the S7RS in the 2005 season. Conrad and Graham Nash saw their racing efforts downsized as the teams had economic problems. Vitaphone Racing moved on from the S7R and raced a Maserati MC12 to the FIA GT Championship. This left Asemco to take second in the American Le Mans Series, while DDO earned the only Saleen wins that year with 3. In an attempt to rebound from 2005, Saleen chose to concentrate on select series and events. Asemco dropped out from the American Le Mans Series in order to concentrate solely on entering the 2006 24 Hours of Le Mans where they earned an 11th place finish, the best ever by a Saleen at the time. Reca was chosen to prepare new S7R chassis with upgrades under the supervision of Saleen engineers William Talley, Dirk Hartland, Randall Spey, Matthew W. Wright and William Krieg to make them more competitive. which led to the team earning 2 victories in the Le Mans Series and winning the 2006 FFSA GT Championship. In FIA GT, Zack Speed took over as the factory squad with Ball Racing running as a privateer. Zack Speed managed to earn 2 victories and earn themselves 4th in the championship. For 2007, Zack Speed was forced to abandon their FIA GT effort as the team went bankrupt during the off-season. Asemco also was forced to withdraw and offer their S7 RS for sale. Recca Finish assembled 2 more chassis using sub-assemblies provided by Saleen, with one going to the Italian Racing Box squad who would compete alongside Recca in the Le Mans Series. Recca won 4 races during the season. In 2010, the Recca Finish assembled S7 R of Labre Compa copyright-ition won the final and its only LMGT1 class victory at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Initial fabrication and assembly of this chassis was performed by Saleen's Irvine, California engineering team in 2006 to 2007 after normal business hours due to a shortage of funding. Subsequently, Saleen engineers named the car Melissa, after the girlfriend of one of the Saleen race engineers. References. Citations. External links: Saleen, official S7 twin-turbo website, Ray Mallock Ltd, developer of the S7, Phil Frank Design, LLC, designer of the S7, World Sports Racing Prototypes, Saleen S7 R chassis history.